Hotel, hotel, hotel. Tell he ain't one of my dogs. Taco would have ate that mug. Taco would have ate that mug. Full-fledged raccoon right there, boy. He didn't even bother to check it out, boy. Tell he ain't one of mine. That motherfucker look rabid. It look rabid. He ain't want no parts of that thing. No parts. They ain't melted that. Who knows? Let me see if I can chuck some at it. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. There's something wrong with that guy. He ain't doing nothing. Really? He ain't doing nothing. I'll probably go over there. This he ain't gonna still be slumped over. Cause that boy rabbit, I done had a rabies shot. He done had a rabies shot, so we good. But say, that guy right there wasn't gonna do nothing. He said, "What is that? That's the weirdest smelling dog I've ever seen in my life." Luckily he ain't gonna back over it, cause I fucking. I ain't scared of no coon. Can't go coon hunting with this guy, boy, cause he's just gonna look at it like, what is that? Man, he's ready to go back in the house. Look at him, he's like, man, I don't know. I want to investigate, but that was sketchy. Found a snake earlier, leave it to me. I'll come back out here and mess with that thing. Leave it to me. I'll come back out here and mess with that thing. You know
Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bacon. Make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. Let's trash it buried deep inside right now. Make it sweet. girl. There's no one like you anywhere in the world. You have a strength like nothing I've ever seen. You're like a woman ripped right out of my dreams. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? She's a beauty queen, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweat. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweat. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweat. The stress you bury deep inside right now. Make it sweat. So go and see what you can find right now. It's time to make a switch. Just open your eyes. You're perfect just like this. I'm telling no lies. Make it sweat. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweat. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweat. The stress you bury deep inside right now. Make it sweat. See what you can find right now. Make it sweat. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweat. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweat. The stress you bury deep inside right now. Make it sweat. So go and see what you can find right now.
it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. On my tongue, never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us. we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you.
literals on there too. You'll see everything on there. This is that's our granddad.
God damn. Yo, Barry, check this out, man. God damn, that's her granddaddy.
Our granddaddy. Is that his or hers?
Hers, the big bitch.
He the daddy.
Oh, he the daddy?
On the mama side, it's not really. I got a video, but that's the mom.
Oh, I like that chest on it.
That's the mom. He was just young. He was about 18 months when we did AI. But like I said, he a little lighter. But we go ahead and
My name now, man.